Hi, this video is about section 2.3, which is called Uses of Percentages in Statistics. If you're not a very strong math student and you haven't worked with percentages in a while, I direct you to page 61 and I encourage you to work through several examples until you're comfortable with making conversions from percentages to fractions to decimals. Let's take a look at the problem we're going to work on this time. And it says that we've got last March, there were 646,979 scheduled passenger flights in a certain country. And in March of 1999, there were 781,744. Use a percentage to express the relative change. Well, let's go ahead and take care of this problem. So, what do we know so far? We know that last March, like March of this year, we had 646,979 flights. Let's just move you up a little bit. Maybe not. There we go. What about this? This actually was 1999. Let's just change that. And then we'll type in here, how many flights did we have in 1999? We had 781,744. And they're asking us to find the relative change. Now, to find the relative change, we need to know which one is the reference. Is the original flight the reference or the one from this year the reference? And I believe if I read the question right, it said, use a percentage to express the relative change. Use the record given value, the second given value, as the reference value. All right, so we're going to find the relative change. Now, the formula to find the relative change is we take the new value minus the reference value divided by the reference value and multiply it by 100%. So what do we got here? We've got the new value is 646,979 minus 781,744. That whole thing divided by the reference value, which is that second one, 781,744. And then we're going to take that whole thing and multiply it by 100%. Okay. And you can pull out your calculator and calculate with me. First, when you find that difference, you're going to find it's negative. It's going to be negative 134,765. Then we're going to take that and divide it by 781,744 and multiply by 100%. And we're going to end up getting about I think it's 17.2%. And our problem, they said, let me go back. What's wrong with this problem? It's not 17.2%. It is negative. Remember, when we subtracted, we got a negative number. So our percent change is going to be negative 17.2. So what is our change? It's going to be negative 17 because notice it says rounded to the nearest percent is needed. And then the second part of this question says there is a something percent something in the amount of scheduled flights So it's a 17% decrease. So please practice these problems until you feel like an expert. The next video, we're going to move on to the next section in our book, 2.4.